In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your resume on LinkedIn. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type LinkedIn into the search bar. This is a quick way to land on the correct site if you're not already bookmarked. Look for the official LinkedIn result and click it to go to the homepage. If you prefer, you can also type the site address directly into the address bar, but using Google works just as well. Once you're on LinkedIn, go to the sign in page and log into your account. Use your usual credentials and complete any verification prompts. Keeping your account secure is important, so only sign in on trusted devices and networks. After you're signed in, look at the top navigation bar for your profile avatar labeled Me. Click that to open the drop-down menu, then choose Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all the controls that affect your data, your visibility, and the preferences used for job applications. Inside Settings and Privacy, find and select the Data Privacy section. This area focuses on how your information is stored and shared, especially when you're applying for roles or interacting with recruiters. Within Data Privacy, locate Job Seeking Preferences. This is where LinkedIn stores your application settings, including the resumes you've uploaded for easy use on job postings. Next, open the option called Resumes and Job Applications Data. Here you can see any resumes you've previously added, remove old versions, and upload a new one. Click Upload Resume. Choose a recent polished file from your computer. PDF is generally the safest for preserving formatting, while Doc or DocX can be useful if a system needs to parse your text. Use a clear file name like first name, last name, resume.pdf to keep things professional. Before you add it, skim for typos, align your dates and titles, and keep the layout simple so it's easy for both humans and applicant tracking systems to read. Once your resume is uploaded, look for the setting to share resume data with hirers and toggle it on. Turning this on helps recruiters who use LinkedIn's hiring tools view your resume when you apply, which can speed up screening. If you prefer more privacy, you can return here anytime and switch it off. Your choice here doesn't change what's on your public profile. It only affects how your uploaded resume is shared during the hiring process. And that's it. You've signed in, navigated to settings and privacy, uploaded a fresh resume, and adjusted your sharing preference. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more straightforward LinkedIn tips and tutorials.